Hello everyone, my name is Priyanshu Chapaneri. I study 11th at LH Bogra Shishuyar School, which is located in Surat. I'm here to share our business startup idea of Kokeora. Kokeora is a Japanese art of growing plant in a bowl of soil covered with moss. It's unique, eco-friendly and space-saving way to bring greenery at home and office. Today, most of people want plant, but they don't have enough space or time for gardening. So our solution is Kokeora. It's stylish, low maintenance and perfect for modern lifestyle. Our goal is making living and working space greenery, healthy and more beautiful while promoting sustainable decor. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.